In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Smartsheet. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to access your Smartsheet account quickly and confidently using your Google credentials. Let's start from a fresh browser window. In the address bar or search box, type Smartsheet login and press enter. You should see search results related to Smartsheet's website. Look for the official Smartsheet result that clearly mentions logging in. It will usually say something like Smartsheet login or Smartsheet app sign in. Click on that result to go directly to the login page. Once the Smartsheet login page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site. You should see the Smartsheet branding and a sign-in area with multiple options. This helps you avoid phishing pages and ensures your credentials stay safe. On this login screen, you'll see different ways to sign in, such as with email and password, or using third-party accounts. In this guide, we'll use Google, which is one of the most convenient options if your Smartsheet account is linked to your Google Workspace or Gmail. Find the button that says Sign in with Google and click it. This tells Smartsheet you want to authenticate using your Google account instead of typing a separate Smartsheet password. After clicking, you'll either be taken to a Google sign-in page, or if you're already signed into Google in your browser, you might see a list of Google accounts to choose from. If you're prompted to sign in, enter your Google email address and click Next, then type your Google password and continue. If you see a list of accounts, simply select the Google account that is connected to your Smartsheet access. From here, just follow the on-screen prompts. Google may ask you to confirm that you want to allow Smartsheet to use your account for sign-in. Review the information briefly, then click to allow or continue. If your organization uses two-factor authentication, you might also be asked to verify your identity with a code, a prompt on your phone, or another verification method. Complete whatever security step appears. Once you've finished those prompts, your browser will redirect you back to Smartsheet, and your Smartsheet homepage or workspace will appear. At that point, you're fully logged in and ready to start working